Right, everyday challenger guy. Getting this Procharger taken off. I got most of the bolts out. I got 3 more left to go because it's heavy. I'll hit the fast forward button and then I'll pull it out. Let's see this. Just in case y'all were wondering, it was the sound of freedom. We're near Moody Air Force Base. So good stuff. All right, last bolt. Not much of a YouTuber yet, so bear with me if I don't talk a lot. But I guess I'm supposed to say don't forget to like and subscribe to kind of keep up with what I got going on here. It's going to be a total breakdown. Big chunk of metal right there in the engine. Can't even tell what it is, but it's got resistance. And it chunks up in the intake. Once again, I found this. If you know what this is, comment below. I guess I'm supposed to say whatever. Aha, one more. Let's run through that.